What's interesting?
I mean, come on.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's pretty good. It is good. Dude, what are we doing here anyway?
I have no idea, but I did get a note from the boss.
Interesting.
It does state, gentlemen, you each have 60 seconds to pick the one car that you will drive for the rest of your life.
Dude, 60 seconds, we gotta roll, baby. So guys, I went with the 2019 Ram 1500 Limited. Why? Amazing craftsmanship on the interior, this stunning chrome fascia and chrome trim. Most importantly, that 5.7 liter Hemi V8, baby, woo!
So the Mopar guy picks a Ram. Kind of a shocker. Hey, but I work for Mopar too. However, I do have a love for BMWs as I had owned one in my 20s. So my pick is this beautiful Alpine White BMW M5, and it's the competition model.
If I tell you what, buddy, I doubt this thing will be able to handle off-road and sound as good as this Hemi.
Well, it's got over 600 horse and it's all-wheel drive.
That is a good point, but does it have decades of heritage and history with American pickup trucks?
Maybe not, but you know what? Let's go for a ride. Let's check it out.
Let's hit the road, baby. All right, now see, here's what I mean by this. So, this thing is gonna have a really nice interior. You have a huge center touchscreen infotainment display. Plus, of course, you have that great engine under the hood. But what's cool is this truck can elevate its ride height because it has air ride suspension. Plus, you get cool little detail features like this blue jean wrapped steering wheel. People think that this isn't gonna ride nice because it's a Ram. You know, Rams typically are known for being workhorse pickup trucks, but the best part is it not only rides comfortably, but it's made with great materials.
It definitely does have all the creature comforts if you're gonna keep it for the long haul, which is what most pickup guys do, so.
Oh no, absolutely. You can build up the 5.7 liter Hemi V8, right? I mean, as long as you do the right kind of calibrated work, you can build this thing up to make 200-300 more horsepower and still do it in style with this awesome Harman Kardon sound system to bump them tunes, baby. It's a great overall pick, but the plus to yours is that it definitely is going to be a lot faster. Let's see what this German sedan can do.
So I know you like your loaded truck. It's got all the goodies. I mean, this one does too. Get your heated and cooled seats. And I got 600 horsepower on tap. All-wheel drive. It's reliable. See, M cars are in BMW's blood. That's what they build, right? It's the heritage. Maybe not have as much heritage as a Ram truck, but it's there. This is, in my opinion, this is the best all-rounder. I got all the power I need in the world. It's rear bias, so I can actually disable the all-wheel drive.
All right, that's pretty good.
You can't deny that. Right?
That was pretty good.
You got supple leather. I got upgraded audio. I got a suede headline. I got a carbon fiber roof.
But
for
can
weight.
you tow anything?
It doesn't get some. What am I towing? That's what I'm going to call you for in your nice loaded up Ram, right? I'll just call you.
While it is proven, you always have a Ram to rescue you.
There you go. So we can kind of coexist.
My last question for you is, what happens when you come to a speed bump? A big one.
You just go around and you take the long way. See, this car, it's for the drive. So if I got to take the long way to go home, especially on these nice twisty roads, I'm going to enjoy it more.
What's interesting?
I mean, come on!
Yeah, oh yeah. It's pretty
flying.
good. It is good. Both of our vehicles, even though they could not be any more different, they both have heritage and history within their own right and within their own companies as well, right? The Ram pickup truck represents a lot of American hard work, blue collar kind of history, a lot of work ethic, but at the end of the day, putting in a hard day's work, you can't go nearly as fast and enjoy the pavement as nearly as much as with this BMW, which, as much as I hate to admit it, the history of the M Performance Series vehicles is very impressive.
I owned one when I was in my 20s. I had a 3 Series BMW and I loved it, right? It was my first like big boy purchase. So this was always an M car. If For any BMW owners out there, if you don't have an M car, that's what you chased after, because that was like the car.
Well, I tell you what, since we can't decide which vehicle is better, how about you guys let us know in the comments? If you're Team Mopar and you would go with a Ram 1500 Limited, let us know by saying RAM in the comments.
Or if you're a BMW fan, comment M-Power in the comments if you want this fast German saloon.